Another clue on this 60 series Detroit accessory drive, that seal rests on top of the end of the shaft. It doesn't just slide over there easy, which holds it up above the surface of the housing. And when I set it up there, I remembered that. So what I do is I hold it in place with one hand, take the other hand with a O-ring pick and just gently slide it down into place and work it in there, kind of like if you're using a tire tool to work a tire onto a rim, for any of you that are overly familiar with that stuff like I used to be, and sometimes still am. Then now that that's already got the seal in place, I will go down with my socket, and I may actually see if I can come up with one that fits a little wider on the outer surface so I don't mash it down in the middle. I think I'll go do that just to be sure. Thanks for watching and tuning in and sharing the videos that'll help others for their safety and well-being. Bless you.